Hey folks, so I want to just kind of quickly show you how to move your files from your H drive into OneDrive. And the real benefit to this being that you can access all your files from home and you're not saving copies upon copies of things. It just updates the same file. So to do this, you want to double check that your computer for school is connected to OneDrive. And to check that, you come down here to this little arrow and click on that and look for these blue clouds. If they are not blue, you're going to want to click on them and it will ask you for your school email. You'll put that in and then you'll just keep hitting next until it says your OneDrive is set up for you. So once those clouds are blue, the next step is to walk over here to the File Explorer. You're going to click on that. And then in the File Explorer, you'll see on the left-hand side all the different places that you can save things and kind of navigate to. And so your OneDrive, you might see two OneDrives here. The one that you want is the OneDrive Bellingham Public Schools. There should be a green check mark there. And then you'll go down to your H drive, which is right here. And so say, for example, you want to move these two folders or this file. All you have to do is drag that over to OneDrive and it will ask you, do you want to copy this to OneDrive? And then if you have folders, if you kind of just hold the mouse down, it'll give you an option of sorting that file into OneDrive. What may happen when you transfer stuff over, you can do a whole batch at the same time, is you might get this red X that shows up in OneDrive. So there might be a red X that shows up over a folder. And to get rid of that, what you have to do is kind of find the file that has a name with a special character. So like the @ symbol is an example of a special character that OneDrive doesn't accept. And so you'll just have to open up the folder until you get to the file where there's that red X and then right click on it and rename it. And that'll turn that red X to a green check mark.